take off now. Now we can start. Hello guys, let's start with sorry, let's get the kids to school first. Yeah, I got myself a drone. But the thing is, I don't even know the basics. I do not know how to use it. I have a few regulations regarding the use of drones. I cannot use it near airports. I'm not allowed to use it above cars. I can't use it in the city. So I need a space. I need a place, a location which is safe, which is clean, which is free, where there's nothing, no danger. I can work with that. I can definitely work with that. Listen to your master and take off now. Voila! Here we go. Listen to your master. Land now. Voila. Alright guys, so today is my godson's birthday. So, would you like to see the cake? Let's have a look. This swimming pool right here, right, is out of order. That's fine. It's not mine. My costume is not ready yet, right? I still need a few things. So let's have a look right here. You can say drinks, but you can also say beverages. New day, new mission. Today I need to get some spray paint. So I need to get some black and green spray paint. Here we go. to spray. Time to paint. Many of you tried to guess the name of my character for Mardi Gras. It's not Robin Hood. It's not Green Arrow. It's costume for Mardi Gras? Check. I came back here. Why I came back? Very easy. I was here this morning, but I lost most of my footage because I forgot to hit the record button. Now the question is, will I be brave enough, courageous enough to hover my drone over the water? Ooh. Alright guys, let's end the vlog right now. Let's end the vlog in the air. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself, and I see you soon enough. And of course, subscribe.